Well, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. I got something special in the mail the other day. Ken at Last Chance Knives has been wanting to send me this Jack Wolf to do some tests on. This isn't any Jack Wolf. This is Vampire Jack. Very cool. I think he had in mind to send me a different one, but he was talking about possibly selling that one to get a new one, and so he sent me this. I am very, very grateful. He sent me some new leather conditioner. He sent me this awesome slip that I'm going to compare it to the Jack Wolf one eventually. And he also sent me some pivot lube. Very nice of him. So I'm going to do an actual formal review of this. I'm just showing the knife. And he sent it to me because I kept saying that my APTA, my Rough Rider, is my poor man's Jack Wolf, VG10. So I want to do a comparison between the two. Also, I have received a while ago this WESN from Big J, or JB, Big Red EDC, and it's kind of a pricey little piece, and I wanted to compare it. So I have two knives to compare to this Jack Wolf. So let's get to it. Okay, so here we are in my outdoor laboratory. Just a few quick tests. I got a paper, some cardboard, a piece of cedar. So like I said, Jack Wolf. Very nice slip. This is the fat carbon, red, white, and blue. Great pull on it. Let's do a little paper test. Pretty sharp. Oh, this is, I think it's S90V steel. I'm gonna make a mess here. Second test, Rough Rider APTA, $25, a VG10. Hung up a bit. Pretty sharp. Not quite a $300 knife. And then let's try the WESN. This is 14C 28N. Pretty sharp. This is a $115 knife. Let's do a little cardboard cutting here. Just hung up there on the sharpening choil. Pretty sharp, pretty sharp. APTA. Also very sharp. Now, I'm not going to do a full-on edge retention test, like how many slices I can get before it goes dull. I don't want to dull his knife. Just want to do a few quick. Yeah, they all seem to cut paper and cardboard just fine. sure if the hollow ground on this is actually easier. I don't think this APTA is hollow ground. I think this is kind of a flat grind. It seems to cut just as easy. All three are very, very sharp. A piece of cedar here. Take a little of the bark off. Let's go into the meat of it. Hopefully I'm getting all this on camera. It's a nice day. I figured I'd come outside and make a mess. It's doing some really nice cuts. Let's see if the VG10 is any different. Get some of the bark off. They're all kind of performing about the same. Now, I'm sure the S90V, the VG10 is really nice. I'm sure the S90V will probably hold an edge a lot longer. Resistance is about the same. Now, let's see if I can do like some curly cues. About the same. Let's try the WESN. See how it does on bark. Just fine. Let's get into the wood. Now, I probably should have the camera over my shoulder so you can see the detail I'm doing. All three very good steels. Very, very good steels. They're all cutting really well. Guess I could do a paper check after all that. Maybe dulled this a little bit. VG10 still feels really sharp. I'm sure this will be like butter. Yes. So my conclusion, all three are great steels and very sharp. Like I said, the Jack Wolf, $300. The WESN 14C28N is about $115, a lot smaller knife. Cherry wood. And the APTA, they go for $25 and change now, maybe 25. VG10. These all have, well, I know the WESN and the Jack Wolf have titanium. I'm not sure about the APTA. Jack Wolf definitely has a better pull. I'll get into a close-up detail comparisons in another video. Just wanted to get these out in the sunlight and show you guys a bit. Hopefully this video turned out. This is the Jack Wolf slip. This is the one that Ken made. You can see the difference here at the bottom. This one you can fit a little bit bigger knife deeper in because of how he did this bottom. And I will also be showing that up close later. Interesting how all three of these high-end slips are curved at the top. So we'll get into that later. Thanks for joining me. I'm going to clean up this mess out here. Maybe cut up a little bit more cardboard. And Ken's loaning this to me for a while. I may be sending it to somebody else after this. He said I could carry it for a while, so I may carry this to work and do some more tests. I don't know if I'll be able to get them on video or not. Maybe get a video short. Thank you guys. Stay sharp. Be safe.